Hi, this is Ben Lam at Asia Private Equity Center. Welcome back to a weekly wrap-up for the week ending on 27th of March. In this week, we are looking at a shift in investors' appetite to New Zealand, while Japan continues to be in the spotlight. First, let's head south. New Zealand is no longer just a scenic backdrop. It is now a primary target for global heavyweights. This week, Founders Fund led a $220 million round for architect firm Houtler, valuing the company at a staggering $2 billion. But the momentum didn't stop at tech. In the consumer space, China's DCP Capital has reportedly agreed to acquire health and wellness brand Vitaco Health Group for around $310 million. This comes just weeks after Ice House participated in its largest outbound deal ever, at $1.2 billion. Going up north, Japan remains the hottest ticket in Asia. Apollo has just committed to its most ambitious PE undertaking yet, the debt restructuring of Nihon Glass, carrying an enterprise value of $3.7 billion. The exit environment in Japan is equally robust. Following Bain's massive $5.5 billion Kyocera windfall, we have seen further capital distributions from J-Star and Carlyle. According to our AP index, Japan's distribution in Q1 2026 has already reached a towering $10.5 billion, accounting for 42% of Asia's total. Moving to India, US investors are turning their interest to the Indian Premier League. Blackstone is acquiring the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, valuing the cricket team at $1.8 billion. And most recently, Rajasthan Royals was sold for $1.6 billion. On the green tech front, Euler Motors raised $47 million, keeping the momentum high for electric vehicles after KKR's multi-million-dollar commitment last week. In South Korea, we saw a high-stakes boardroom battle. At the Korea Sync AGM, MBK Partners suffered a setback and cannot take a control position, as the chairman managed to maintain a boardroom majority. Finally, in Southeast Asia, Thailand stole the show. Amity Corp raised $100 million, the largest ever generative AI play in the region, proving that investors are still willing to place big bets on vertical AI models. Looking to next week, the IPO pipeline is overflowing, as Mandible Health Enterprises, a hospital group backed by Temasek, has filed for an IPO of $1.2 billion. We will have an idea on the multiples that the investors will make. And for the big fund hunters, Blackstone is near its Asia Fund Freeze target, reportedly gathered over $12 billion, only $500 million short of the target. That's your wrap-up for the week. To have a deeper insight, please subscribe to listen our daily summation or visit our website www.asiap.com. We'll see you next week.